Welcome to Linux Help channel. In this video, we are going to see about Backdrop CMS using LAMP configuration in CentOS 7.5. First, we are going to see about Backdrop. Backdrop CMS is a simple, lightweight, and easy to use content management system for building professional websites. Backdrop is a content management system. A CMS is a database-driven website that allows people to log in, and if they have permission, it allows them to edit nearly any page of the website. First, I am going to check my CentOS version. My CentOS version is 7.5. Then I am going to do LAMP configuration setup. For that, first I am going to install Apache server using this command. Once the installation is completed, I am going to start my Apache service. Then I am going to enable it. Once support step is completed, I am going to install Mariadb and Mariadb server. Once the installation is completed, I am going to start my Mariadb server using this command. Once it completed, I am going to enable my service. Once the step is completed, I am going to secure my root user for Mariadb by using this command. I am going to set new password for root user. I am going to remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. Yes. Remove test database and access to it. Yes. Reload privilege tables. No. Yes. After completing this step, I am going to install PHP and PHP modules. Once the installation is completed, I am going to restart my Apache server. Once it's done, I am going to create a database using MySQL command. Now I am going to create database. Now I am going to create user. Now I am going to grant privilege for database and database user. Now I am going to flash privileges. Exit it. Now we are moving to installation procedure. First, we are going to download the Backdrop CMS installation package from its official website using wget command. Once the download is completed, extract it using unzip command. Once it completed, move the Backdrop directory to this location. Once it's done, set the owner permission and file execution permission for this directory. Once it completed, configure the Apache virtual host file for Backdrop CMS named backdrop.conf. Save and quit. Once it completed, we are going to configure host entry using this command. Save and quit. Now we are going to restart the Apache server. Once all step is completed, we are going to browser and enter your domain name. Now select your language. Enter the required database details and select save and continue. Now enter your database username. Now enter its password. Now save and continue. The installation is in process. Next, create an admin user account by entering the required details. Now enter your required time zone. Save and continue. This is the Backdrop CMS dashboard. This is the method how to install Backdrop CMS using LAMP configuration in CentOS 7.5. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe Linux Help channel. For more details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.